My dadi got started crying after I told her about my decision, and she even said that you are real life ka Arjun. So as we have seen that a difficult situation has been created in India, a very difficult situation has arisen in India. So it is my duty towards the country to help the country when the country needs it. So my country has always given me this so much respect. So it is my time to help the country in need. So whenever I go outside, out of India, and when I hold the tricolor in my hand, so that is a very delightful moment for me and my family. So it is my time to help the country in this difficult situation. My country has always given me respect. Everything that I have has given, my country has given that to me. So a lot of people are in need. They need food, they need shelter. So my contribution towards the country can help them. So I had donated 2 times earlier, but seeing that the lockdown has been extended, it was my duty again to donate to the country. What I did was just my duty towards my motherland. So there were a lot of inspirations that I took. So I saw in the news that a lot of people need help. So even a small donation that I will make can make a very big difference. It can save someone's life or it can feed someone. So what I did was just my duty towards my motherland. So it is my request to all of you, please help the country in whatever you can. Please donate to the any money that you can in whatever amount, whether it be small or big. Please donate to the country as it can make a very big difference. So please stay inside your homes. Please follow the guidelines, the rules and regulations that have been given by the doctors and the government authorities.